Plannotator, which creates a plan mode like extension for Pi. And the plan mode works very similarly to Claude Code, except you benefit from the ability to annotate plans in the UI, which I'll show you, as well as share plans and share your annotations. So to enter plan mode, use the Plannotator command, and we're there. Then you can instruct the Pi agent to create a plan for the thing that you're building. And again, it'll work very similarly to Claude Code's plan mode. It'll, investigate the repo, try to search and explore. It'll ask you questions, and then it will write the plan to a file. Similar to Claude Code, there's a question answer period, but I'll just tell it to, just create the plan. It'll create the plan so I can review it. And the cool thing about Plannotator is how we review the plans. But it'll make some assumptions, which is good because we can correct those assumptions directly in the plan. So call it exit plan mode, and via hooks with Pi, we can now review the plan that's in the terminal right here in our UI. And it's exactly where I can come in and say something like, I don't want fast API, use Flask instead. Um, Plannotator provides the ability to just provide annotations as comments over the plans. I could say something like, don't use VM, use UV instead. There's a global comment. I could provide images with drawn annotations um, over the images as well, and that's helpful for giving feedback on current implementations of the UI as well. What we can now do is send that feedback. It'll auto close, and the agent will correct the plan based on my feedback. It's a very simple UX. Once it creates the next version of the plan, it'll exit plan mode and then send that right back to the UI where I could approve it. The other thing I could do is share this plan in a private way where none of the data is leaked. Plannotator is, it's a completely local app. The way you share Plannotator is by compressing the plan into the URL. So you could privately share this. I host a static site for you. You could also host the static site yourself. So I could copy this link, send it to somebody else. They'll inherit the plan. They could review it, add their own annotations, and they could share it back. But eventually you get to the point where you're happy with the plan. You hit approve, and the agent is now able, it exits plan mode, and it's now able to go and implement the plan. And that's Plannotator.